这1、2、3、4一起排进去就知道。
So this is the 4D HIFU. You get into inside, and we can see here the depths and the lines and the points, and we can choose different modes. M1, M2, you can see the points, the lines are different. M4, M5. So you can use this mode according to the situations, and choose fast mode or slow mode, and start and stop. And if you want to adjust by yourself, here we can adjust. You see it's changing? It's changing now. So normally we just use this modes are enough.
Okay.
So next one is our vagina handle. And you can see we also can adjust the parameters here. Power. Start from low. And we can choose this. So the handle will turn around to test if the cartridges are in a good status. When the light turns on, we can start to use it. And same, click here to start, make the handle working. And click start when you are ready and apply gel on the handle and start using the handle. Okay. This is the regular copy. So this one only has one dot coming out, one by one. So this is mainly using on the ice part, on the some small part. So it's coming out by dot. We can adjust the energy here. And the frequency here. And please start when you're ready. So same, you need to put the gel on it before using. This is the liposonic handle, this one. And this is mainly for the body slimming. We can choose different treatment area, choose different modes here. We can see the working points and are different when we choose different modes. You see, here is the different points. And we can adjust the energy. Start from low energy when you do treatment. Okay. Start working. Okay. Here is the private detection for the vagina. You can see the pressure is different. So this is for the